Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I will be showing you guys how to clean your Cricut mat in just a few easy steps. And I also wanted to wish you guys a happy new year for 2020. I have a lot of exciting content coming your way. Also, please stay tuned and watch until the end of this video because I have a giveaway that is happening right now that I would love for you guys to enter. So keep watching and let's get into the tutorial. First, I like to grab a lint roller and try and get some of the excess lint off of the mat. Then I'll turn on the faucet and run the mat under warm water. Try and keep it at a light pressure so it's not too harsh on the mat. I'll then take some Dawn dish soap and place some of it in my hand. Make sure the faucet is off and spread the soap all over the mat. It's better to spread it with your hand rather than placing the soap directly onto the mat. Now you can take a scraper, credit card, or even a bristled brush and scrape the excess gook off. I kept having to wash the mat to remove what was coming off. Repeat this process as many times until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're done, take a paper towel and lightly pat dry the mat. Do not rub it in. Then you can let your mat air dry when you're finished. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys the end result of the Cricut mat because I didn't want to just stop right there. By the way, TBT to this background, let's see what the mat looks like, and it's only been 10 minutes after I just laid it down. Looks pretty dry. I'm gonna see. Ooh, yep. It's sticky, guys. This is awesome. I've noticed that it's a little bit more stickier. You saw that there was a lot of gook on there. Really just as easy as that. Just soap and warm water is all you need. So I'm really happy that I was able to clean my mat and show you guys how to clean your mat. So yeah, I'm going to insert my proper closing with my nice camera right here. And there you have it. It was that easy to clean your Cricut mat. So now I can tell you guys about my giveaway. It is my first giveaway and I will be giving away this doormat. It is a cute doormat that says keys, phone, coffee, yes, and wallet. This doormat is a 16-inch by 23.5-inch doormat. My usual doormats that I make are about 18 inches by 30 inches, so this is a little bit smaller, but I make it the same exact way that I make my standard doormats. And you guys can win this doormat just by following these 3 steps. First, you must be following my Instagram account, which I will put down right here somewhere, and you have to subscribe to my channel, Amy Nicole DIY. I think it's down here. The second step is to like the original giveaway post that is on my Instagram. So I will put a little pop-up right here. And the third step is comment on that post and tag 3 people that would be interested in the giveaway. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you guys liked this video, please, as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I know one of the steps is to follow my Instagram account for this giveaway, but please go ahead and check out my Instagram because I do post very often on there. I have a lot of exciting things happening in 2020 that I just can't wait to show you guys. So thank you again so much for supporting me and watching my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!